Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable and use the Screensaver feature on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature allows you to personalize your device even more, making it truly yours. So let's get started. First, go to the Home or Apps screen and then tap on the gear icon to open the Settings app. In the Settings menu, find and then tap on Display. Once you're in the display settings, select Screensaver. A list of available Screensaver options will load up on the next screen. Simply tap to choose any from the given options including colors, photo table, and photo frame. To set random colors as your screensaver, tap Colors. To set a photo, tap Photo Table, then tap on the gear icon next to it to access your phone's gallery, and then select your desired pictures or album as screensaver. To set a photo frame, tap Photo Frame, then tap on the gear icon next to it. Finally, tap to select your desired photos and videos to use or set as screensaver. To take a glimpse of what your screen will look like when the selected screensaver is activated, simply tap on the preview button. And that's it. You've just learned how to enable and use the screensaver on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This feature not only adds a personal touch to your device, but it also makes your phone more enjoyable to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and troubleshooting guides.